Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to be showing you a bathroom remodel in a log house that we completed. In this remodel, we removed a large soaker tub and replaced it with a smaller one. We also pushed it back into the corner of the bathroom. We removed the shower surround and replaced it with a tiled shower as well. In doing both of those things, we were able to create enough space to add a linen cabinet to give more storage to these homeowners. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is what the bathroom looked like prior to demo. A few days into the demo, and the tub, shower, vanity, and toilet have been removed from the bathroom. Tony framed in the new shower and built a new tub deck with steps. The tub has been set. We installed a Kohler _ acrylic whirlpool tub in white. In this remodel, we installed 12 by 24 Mannington Adora Max Athena Maiden's Veil floating floor. It is now time for the shower tile and tile on the tub deck to be installed. For the shower and tub deck, we installed dowel tile, bronze beacon, 6.5 inch by 6.5 inch tiles. For the shower floor, we installed dowel tile, Ayers rock, bronze beacon, 3x6 mosaic tile. The cabinet installation has started. We installed a Brighton, Sheldon, rustic, alder, hazelnut vanity, and tall linen cabinet. For the quartz vanity countertops, shower sill, and seat, we installed Cambria Canterbury with a 4-inch splash at the vanity. The finishing touches have been put on this bathroom. The plumbing fixtures we installed was the Moen Kingsley collection. Here is the completed bathroom. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of this transformation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more.